Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn about the pronouns. So the nouns is completed. So previously we have talked about nouns, right? So different types of nouns. The nouns are completed. So now we get into the new concept called pronouns. So today in this class, we will learn about the introduction of pronouns. So let us get into the class. So welcome to the world of pronouns. Introduction. Today we are diving into one of the fundamental elements of English grammar, pronouns. Pronouns are chameleons of grammar. They can transform and adapt and take the place of nouns to add variety and efficiency to our sentences. So to add variety and to have efficiency to our sentence, we have to use pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words which is used to avoid repeating. For example, if you use nouns repeatedly, so to avoid this repetition, we have to use pronouns. They help make our communication clear and less repetitive. As I told you, like by using pronouns, our words will be less repetitive by using pronouns. For example, instead of saying Radhika isn't Radhika's room, we use the pronoun she is, she to say. Instead of Radhika, Radhika is in, she is in Radhika's room. We can write she is in, instead of Radhika we can write she is in Radhika's room. So we use the pronouns to avoid the repetitive nouns. So Radhika is a noun, right? So instead of using Radhika's two times, we can use the pronouns. So Radhika is in our room. She might be sleeping now. I hope you understand why we use pronouns. Types of pronouns. Pronouns come in various types, each serving a unique purpose in our language. So let us see how many types. So personal pronouns refers to specific people or things. So personal pronouns refers to specific people or things. Example: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. All these are personal pronouns. Possessive pronouns indicate ownership, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. These are all come under possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refers back to the subject of the sentence. Refers back to the subject of the sentence, like myself, yourself, himself. So these are the subject of the sentence. Interrogative pronouns used to ask questions. Who, whom, whose, which, what. These are come under interrogative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. Point to specific things. This, that, these, those. So these are all comes under demonstrative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refers to non-specific things or amounts. So these are example anyone, everything, and many. So relative pronouns introduce relative clauses who, whom, whose, which, that. These are relative pronouns. So how many different types of pronouns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 types of pronouns are there. Let us see in the upcoming classes, each one by one, how to use those things. So pronoun usage and rules. Pronouns must agree in number and gender with the nouns they replace. Pronouns must agree in number and gender with the nouns they replace. So it should agree the number and gender of the nouns they replace. When you replace, they should the pronouns must agree in numbers. How many numbers are there and what gender is. Pronouns should be clearly linked to their antecedents to avoid confusions. So when writing pronouns, it should be clearly written to avoid confusion. Examples in sentences. Interrogative. Whose book is this? Ask about ownership. Reflexive. She prepared the meal herself. Emphasize the subject action. I hope you understand what's interrogative and reflexive. And conclusion. Understanding and using pronouns effectively can greatly enhance your communication skills, especially in competitive exams where every mark counts. So let's master pronouns together and make our English as strong as it can be. So I hope you understand what is the basic concept of pronouns, why we use pronouns. So if you think if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.